The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having an excellent day. Hope everyone had an excellent night. Hope we're ready to tackle the markets. Or at least smack them a little bit. Jackson Hole Symposium starts today. Big event tomorrow with Jerome Powell speaking. See how the markets treat us. So NQ overnight. We see the market coming down right here, but into these uptrending bands, so we're going to ignore that for now. But something weird happened. And that's this. At 2:16 a.m., for no good reason, the market shot up 95 points. No news. No news. No nothing. Just shot up 95 points. No news that I could find. I didn't see, checking the Discord, no one could find news. It's just weird. So, that was the main thing overnight. Hello, Freighter. How are you doing? So this is our, market overnight. You can see it's given most of that move back, which is nice. But, yeah, just weird. So our low of the day happened last evening at 12,925, and our high is 13,085. So about 160 points of range. A lot of it came in that one candle. It's just weird. Copper overnight rising up about 160 ticks. Gold rising up about 15 points. Good morning, DN. UltraBond pretty flat, looks like. About a point range, or less. Crude oil topped at 95.76. I think it just made a new low, 94.44. So just a little over a point range. And natural gas blowing up as we speak. You might want to call fire department. About 170 ticks in range. So NQ though, since then, kind of fading down. You see there, move down, move up, move down, big move down. And now we've been trying to rise back up, but I should not have ignored this move, apparently. But it does seem like we have some movement here. So, maybe we'll have a good day. I'm up slightly. Oh, yeah, I need to. My thing's not showing there for my P&L. There it goes. I just need to adjust it back. We're up 64.10 to start the morning. You can't see that. Hold on. Let me see if that works. Nope, too far down. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now P&L is in place. $64.10. Was an up and down night as usual. How's everyone this morning? How are we doing? This would give me 10 points if I'd taken it. Didn't really like this move down into the uptrending bands, but it just went. I got my eggs in front of me, so I'm going to quickly scarf them down and we'll watch the market. What's everyone else having for breakfast this morning? So looking here, up to 991 subscribers, 9 away from that magic number. Been an amazing push over the last month to get to 1,000 before my 1-year streaming anniversary. Good morning, Sheriff. How are you doing? That move went exactly 10 points before popping back up here. This would have been a nice move. I wasn't much awake yet here. That would have been a great candle. So it would not have been. Watching NQ here, checking out what's everything else doing. Gold's on a slow grind down. The crude didn't seem to have much movement overnight, but it's rising up here. Back up to the EMA on the 1. See if it bounces here. Might bounce back down. Bouncity, bouncity, bouncity. Yep, there's a bounce. Watching. Yep, back to green. 30 seconds on this candle. Those are done. We're ready to tackle the market. Yep. Did not bounce like I thought. Maybe just consolidating, maybe just not doing anything right now. So we wait. Pop. Yeah, just kind of hanging there like laundry on the line off the EMA. EMA is showing bearish. Let's see what happens. Copper with a very nice move up for like the last 45 minutes. These just aren't strong enough candles to take this. I think it's going to bounce back down, but just these candles are incredibly small. Good morning, Dakota. How's it going today? That's the move I was expecting right there. Should have taken it. Bounce back down about that same level it stopped at here just a few minutes ago. Let's see if it can break on through to the other side. Taking a short here. 2 contracts. There we go. Big movement. Nope. Back to break even on that. There we go. Before I move back down to 14. Right here. This stops right at the EMA. There we go. Nice move. There we go. Yep. Pushing back. Bouncy here. Right under 13,020. There we go. Continue momentum down. Back up. Struggling here at 13,018. Continue a push down here, maybe? Ah. Don't like green here right now. I want to see red. Looking for a continued move here. Nope. Doesn't seem to want to give it to me yet. 18, 17. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. There we go. 14 is my target. That's 16. Oh, popping back up. Ah. There we go. That's what I want. Come on. Good morning, Crypticon. Good for one more point. 1.5 more points here. Cutting it. That kind of sucked. I ended up only getting 3 points out of that, so about $120. Up 186.70 there, but so I should have got out. As soon as I seen this as a doji came back up there, it might still come down, but I wasn't going to let it come all the way back on me. So I was up about 270 and I let it come halfway back, and it's dropping back down. So probably paper-handed there again, but got a little bit of momentum here. Yep, I paper-handed. I hate that. I hate that. See if it comes down to 14 like I expected. Maybe, yeah, it's kind of bouncy here. So, small win to start the morning. How's it going today, Crypticon? There's no sound on it? Well, odd. Good question. Hold on, let me test this, guys. Told me to annoy it. There it is. Did you hear it that time, Crypticon? Okay. I must have accidentally muted it. That's why I did get out at the right time. I mean, it'd been better if I got it out a couple points be down there, but it did bounce back up. So, guess that was a good read on my part that it was bouncing there. Did not get back down to 14, which was our low back here. On that move down. So, 1 for 1 on the morning. Good morning, Jessica. How you been? Haven't seen you around in a while. Now we're sideways again. Crude oil sideways, trying to come down. Gold's coming down a bit. Been doing pretty good, thanks. Sounds like, yeah, you've been keeping busy. Fun, fun. Another bounce there off that EMA. Again, I mean, part of me wants to take this short. I don't like the way, I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna try it again. Oh, slippage there. This might have been my mistake. I might be giving it all back right here. Yep. Darn it. It's too smart for my own good there. Let's see if it bounces or if it breaks. I thought we were going to have another bounce down, and apparently we're maybe not. But maybe it's bouncy here. We're at 22, which was my entry in the last trade. I actually entered where I exited last trade. So, yeah, this is not looking good. Let's see. Maybe bounce back down. Save me here. Come on back down for me. Just so I can get out. Break even, if maybe. There we go. Maybe we are coming down. I like to look. Maybe not. Red, green, red. If it comes back down toward my entry, I'll cut it. Or if it goes further from my entry, I'll cut it as well. Kind of just a state of purgatory here. Ah. Yep. That was total mistake. Stopped out. Gave back my profit on the day. Down $35 now. Stupid of me. It's trying to. It was consolidating. I misread it. As coming back down. Didn't really bounce off that EMA. Stupid. Over anticipated. Or I got out too quickly. We'll see. Yeah. Let's see what it does here. Above the yellow line. That was an idiotic move. Oh, good point. I always keep forgetting about checking the news, and I'm not sure why. So, news this morning. Jobless claims. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter second estimate. Deflator preliminary. Continued jobless claims. PCE prices. Core PCE prices. Net corn exports, wheat and soybean. And we have natural gas inventory at 10:30 and at 11. Kansas City Fed manufacturing. Lots of stuff today. But yeah, I totally misread that. If I looked at I didn't bother looking at the RSI again. It was above the yellow line, which would have been an absolute good indicator not to get in there. Yeah, I hate that. I hate making unforced errors. Big move back up. So at least I didn't move my stop there. That I did not take the full stop out. We do have a. This is technically a trigger here, but still these downtrending bands. Thinking we're going to bounce down a bit before bouncing up. Okay, Crypticon, we'll be here. Watching, will we bend? Will we be band benders? That's what we're hoping. That's what I'm hoping. Good morning, G-Man. Watching here. Just hovering above the EMA. It's just kind of squeezy here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Gold rushing down. Copper rushing up. It's trying to bend these bands here. So should I have taken it long there? Maybe 26 up to 31 so far. Would have been a good trade.
as we watch. Kind of up in that third standard deviation band there. It's struggling. Let's see if it's trying to crawl up. The itsy bitsy NQ crawled up the Bollinger Band. I'm loving it. Boop, boop. Yep, so this was my mistake not taking it, but I just didn't like it there. I should have. Let's see, it's gonna end up going 10, I bet ya. Doing good. How are you doing today, Gameonic? So, yep, this was a miss on my part. You can see it just hit my 10 points, or just about. It's gonna. So we'll wait and we'll watch. Next opportunity. Market's giving opportunities. Already two here. One I fabricated that really wasn't an opportunity. You see, this have been here. Last three actual trigger candles have worked. I took one. No, actually, I didn't really. I took a bounce. But yeah, the last three trigger candles have been excellent. That one would not have worked right at the top of the hour, but bounced right back up and was perfect. And back down, so it went just not much more than 10 points. Nice bounce back down. Ouch. Nice little bounce right back down there. And we wait. Morning, Matt. Trying to bounce back up. So a little 2-bar pullback right now. Maybe 3 bars. I love this bar. My kind of place. Welcome, everybody. Good morning. A lot of people here already. Thank you for joining me. If you're finding this stream at all entertaining, I'm not sure if entertaining is the right word. If you're enjoying the content of this stream, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. We are so close, so close to 1,000 subscribers. Sitting at 991 right now. Yeah, educational may be the right word. Sometimes it's how the trade, sometimes it's how not the trade. Nice, Gamonic. So IQ came up and right back down, trying to come down to the EMA. Remember, folks, Jackson Hole Symposium starts today, but the big event's tomorrow when Jerome Powell speaks. We'll see how that goes. We'll be live streaming during the event because it just happens to be happening during the hours of the live stream. And there's a break back down. Gotta break it down something proper like. There's the move down. Technically a trigger candle. Waiting. Up, right back up. So I was making sure we have a strong uptrending moving average on the Bollingers, on the RSI there. So it seems like it's more of a bounce back up than a move down. Morning, Mike. How you doing? You haven't been around as much lately. How's it been going? Not sure what it wants to do here yet. That recent move there was 34. We're right at, really? It's only 34? No, 38. Okay, misread that. Misread the low as the high. Staying out for now. This looks like it might bounce, but it's just slow. Got news in about 19 minutes. It's one step forward, or 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Nice 1K day. Then yesterday I went back by about half. So I'm getting a little tired of that. So need to put in the effort to get it back above. Right now we're consolidating here, right above the EMA. Very small moves. Market might be choppy today with the whole symposium. Symposium. It's a fun word to say. So we're watching this here. It's still trying to break down, but it's just not giving us momentum. Oh, yeah, I see to tweak something every day. Usually it's my back or my knee. Oh. And maybe it does want to come down here, but it's just not really. Up. Well, I should have taken it. Real quick burst down there. Now we're coming down to the uptrending. I mean, yeah, the uptrending bands. So I don't know. Up, down, slightly back up, down. Everybody, look what's going round. Bouncy there. It does. I agree. So this would have been the trigger candle right here. It's going to come down about 5 points. I don't know. Maybe right now target should be 5 points. I don't know. This move up was like almost exactly 10, maybe 11. 5 would have been safer, though this move down here was nice. Kind of a two-legged move down for about 20. We have news in 15 minutes. A bunch of little news reports. Of course, we have Jackson Hole to worry about all day, mostly tomorrow, though. Taking a short here. Oh, big slippage. Oh, that was a quick move down, quick move right back up. It looks like it's going to bounce on me there. Yeah. Bounced off that band bounces. It moved quickly down and then right back up. Trying to watch it here. See the band has bent. Watch it here. Come on, give me a little more boost down here. It's the wrong way. It's consolidating this a little bit, just a tight couple of point range. There we go. Just another little burst down. I'll take another little burst. There we go. I'll move down. Minute 21:25. It's down to 1950 now. Nice little move. Watching. Definitely not moving at any high velocity. There we go. There we go. Watching. There we go. Up about 5 points here. It rides these bands down. There we go. Nice push down. Okay, this is 14. This is where it stopped before. Let's see. It's pushing. Can it get through 14? There's 12. Target hit. Boom. Had target hit and continued to go, but that was a $400 win. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're up 356 on the day. And again, another trigger candle worked. You can see the last 4 of my trigger candles worked. Now, I actually got in late. I got in a full candle and a half late. I actually got in a bad spot. But I waited for these bands to bend down, and I don't know. It worked. So I read the market right. Been better if I'd gotten in, the candle earlier. Excellent job, Jessica. Have a great day. So nice move there. That will probably be flat until after the news in about 7 minutes. Excellent, Rod. Nice to hear that. Always love to hear when people were winning at the same time I am. Hello, Black Beauty, and the world above, why do we want to die? Good job, Mike. What's UB doing? UB just opened, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Not moving real fast, though. Yeah, body starts changing as you get older. Have you tried a low carb protocol? Yep. And unemployment news in a few minutes as well. Perhaps it's time for a checkup with your doctor, the world. See, I have 2 new subscribers and it only tells me 1. Welcome, Ted. Thank you for joining the herd. Feel free to say hello in the chat. What the heck just happened? Why did it just disconnect me? Huh. Ah, it's gonna give me an issue here now. Log out, log in. Okay, boom. Little dance I gotta do is kind of annoying. There we go. Okay. It looks like we're trying to come back down here now. Like I said, we're staying flat until the news, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I mean, I don't ever want to sound preachy at all, but you might be surprised if you switch to a really low carb protocol for 30 days how much better you feel. And cut out seed oils. Yeah, I was definitely glad I did listen to myself. They were coming down. Popping up here real quick right here before news. Welcome, Fert. Yeah, there we go. Yep. I am extremely, I mean, I'm more carnivore than keto now at this point. My carbs mainly come from cheese, and I may even start cutting that out. I think it's messing with my digestion. So technically a trigger candle there, obviously, but right here we're literally less than a minute before the news. Yeah, I mean, cheese is my favorite food, and I eat too much of it. I shouldn't. When I say cut, I don't think I could ever totally cut it out, but I definitely I eat too much of it. It's my one issue. But yeah, more and more is coming out. And science is finally realizing that carbs is the problem, especially processed carbs. Yeah, I miss pizza, but I do. I mean, I do take a little break right now. Not every now and then for around the holidays I'll have a pizza or whatever. There's the news. Boom, a little bit of a boom. Not much of a boom. What's your issue, G-Man? Gary? Ooh, that's a quite the candle. Let's see here. What they actually have the news. U.S. GDP quarter over quarter second estimate negative 0.6. The forecast was negative 0.7. U.S. initial jobless claims actual 243K. The forecast is 252K. So slight beats on both. Both the big news is just slight beat. And the market doesn't like it. Market's coming down 17 points. Quickly, a quick dump there on ES and NQ and gold and oil. So it's unanimous. Everything doesn't like it. Yeah, wow, bonds don't like it. Dow don't like it. Copper don't like it. Nobody likes it. Quite unanimous. That's quite the candle there. 24 points down on NQ. Into the bands. We'll wait till it clears here. See where it wants to go. Nice bounce. About half the candle back up already here. Down 24, back up 10 now. Dancing. It's dancing like there's nobody watching, but we're watching. I should have taken all along there. It did hit that third band. You see the nice bounce back up. So now we'll wait for this to kind of shake out since I did not take the reversal play there. Shake it off. Shake it up. Shake it off. Shake it off, not up. How could I mess up a Taylor Swift song? Great job, Gamonic. I'm the Game Lord. How's your back doing today, Gary? Good call on that 59, although I don't think it got where you hoped it would get so far. I know you looked for 5 points. Got close. Still trying to grind back up. There's your cool. There you go. There got you your 5 points. Hey, playa. Yep, I saw that. Good job, G-Man. Not that you didn't already know that. Back up to the EMA on the NQ here. Gained back about 2/3 of that impulse news candle. Kind of bounced off the EMA on the 1 hour chart. Interesting. Still well off the low of the day, which was 925. We're about mid-range of the day. Bounce there, though. Interesting. We're above the yellow line. Are you asking my opinion between those two? I mean, Trade Day puts you on a live account. Apex doesn't unless you're really, really good. Apex, you have the deep discounts. Trade Day, you're not going to get many discounts. Trade Day, you can get paid on, as soon as you're making profits. Apex, you wait 40 days. Apex, you can have 20 accounts. Trade Day, you can have one. Trade Day has Trade of 8. Apex doesn't yet, but most likely everybody's going to be getting Trade of 8 at some point. Trade Day, I believe, Trade Day uses end of day drawdown on both the evaluation and the funded account. Apex uses as a constantly trailing drawdown on both. I mean, Apex and Lilu first, and then Apex kind of. I don't know. I think it is made this whole industry seem a little bit more gimmicky, and I don't like that. 10 or 20 accounts and 80% off and all that just made it look. And I should have taken this long wick up, small body. I should have taken this, and the whole having to wait 40 days for money you earned and or 4 months to get it all was ridiculous in my opinion. But I mean, overall, I mean, obviously they do pay out. But when you make someone wait 4 months for their money, it's almost like you want them to fail before you can pay them out. That's my opinion. we're watching here, this is kind of just bouncing in a 5 or 6 point range. No, not your first pay. After 40 days, you can request your first payout, but I think it's, I don't want to say, I want to say 25, but you can't take your full amount. You can't request full payout until 4 months, but you can request up to a certain limit after the first month or so. Yeah, that what he said. I had suggested to a certain Canadian a couple months back about doing a video on the various payout structures of the most popular programs. I think he might have forgotten about it. Yeah, no, I apologize for yeah, first payout in 20. You can request in 25 days or something like that. Then, still you don't get it like the day after you request. You have to request it a certain part of the month, and then you get it. I think it's like a week or two after. But still, you can't request your full payout. It's just stupid. It's your money and you need it now. We are coming down here. I'm thinking I should be short here. This was I mean, not my average trigger candle, but kind of as a trigger candle. 13007. It's come down to 12998. I thought it was 40 days. Maybe I'm wrong on 40 days. 25 days. Well, I mean, you can request after 25 days, and then with the actual wait from the time you request to the time you get paid out, it's about 40 days. But let me check on that later. I'm pretty sure that was something CFT said, but I could be wrong. Either way, you can't get your full amount for 4 months, and there's other ones that are worse. Elite is 5 months. And Elite says right in their thing, if you break a rule, you forfeit all payout. I don't know if Apex is like that or not. Oh yeah, absolutely, Raymond. I never said they didn't pay. Absolutely, they pay everybody that earns it. It's just if you blow your account before you get paid, do you get paid? Let's say you accidentally trade too many well, no, Apex has a way to prevent that. Let's say you accidentally hold a contract after close, break a rule. I'm not sure what happens then. Elite says right out, if you put on too many contracts, if you break a rule in like Elite, uh, while they owe you money, you forfeit the entire payment. I'm not sure how what these others do in that same situation. Yeah, yes, Tick is end of day drawdown. That said, Tostep, you can get your first payout after 5 green days. And that doesn't mean 5 bands. This would have went 10 points. I should have played this bounce. I told myself I should have played this bounce. I told myself I was going short. You can see 10 points here. There we go. Thank you, FK. So it's 25 trading days. Yeah, there we go. So, yeah. It's about 35. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Trying to remember this stuff while I'm trading and streaming. Oh, I will always give my honest opinion, even if I have affiliates or if I'm sponsored by somebody. I will always give my honest opinion. I'm not that money driven that I will say good things if I don't believe in it. I've turned down sponsorships on this channel for things I didn't believe in. Yeah, a guy contacted me that wanted to pay me to advertise his very expensive indicators. And I said no because I don't believe in paying $300 for any indicator, even if it worked. And he said I could try it out if I wanted to, blah, 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 and, see that it worked. But I'm not going to advertise anything here that I don't believe in just for money. I refuse to do that. Uh, I've had, just like CFTs have prop firms, come to him and want him to review them and offer money and all that, and he won't do any that he doesn't believe in. Just not the way I do things. I will only ever be sponsored by or run ads for companies that I trust, companies I believe in, but I will also give my honest opinion. If it like Topstep, there's Topstep's a good company. I've never said they weren't, but I've had, you know, compared to a couple other companies, I've said that they, have issues, and they finally realized that, and they told me they laid out the changes that are coming that I still can't tell anybody about, and that's why I decided to go with Topstep. To the point that I gambled on myself that they're willing to give me a bonus if I pass and show how their funding process works and all that, over guaranteed money from another company. So yeah, you're never gonna see me run be sponsored by or run ads for any company that I don't believe in. And by the way, I have no problem with Apex. Apex. I've had Apex evals in the past, blown them all. I hate constantly trailing drawdowns. But other than that, yes, Apex is a good paying company. Daryl Martin is a trading wizard. I think their tools package that they sell is overpriced. And I question some of his other things that he sends out ads for, like that crypto stuff he sent ads for the week or two ago, that webinar. So okay, well FK just put it in. It's 25 trading days, which if you look at is about 35 real days. Then you don't get the payment the next day. If you look, CFT, there's a video by CFT from last year. He had the request at the end, toward the end of the month. There's like a window of the request, and then he got it like 2 weeks later. So all in all, it works out to be 40 days. So, oh no, Dakota, absolutely. I know it wasn't you weren't talking about me exactly, but I just wanted to clarify. Hi, Ace. uh, yep, I know that, Ace. I know RJ beat me out on that last round of auction, on last round of bidding. So a slow grind down here after the news. Pop backed up, and then it's a slow grind. Uh, well, thank you for being here, For Money. Welcome. Speaking of CFT, here is CFT's video from last November about Apex's withdrawal process. So we're still watching this come down, and we're now 6 subscribers away from 1,000. Markets at no ace. It'll pop back up here. Absolutely is. My goal was never to give out any bad info. 40 days is what's stuck in my mind as the time from the time you got 25 days of trading plus weekend plus then the wait for the time that from the time you request to the time you actually get it. That said, I prefer to talk about Tostep. Continuing to kind of just hang here now below 13,000. I didn't even realize we fell below. Everything is kind of flat otherwise. Crude oil kind of flat on the downward trend. Gold flat. UltraBond with a nice move up. And copper's kind of flattish. So up 356 on the morning. Hope we can continue to find another good trade. Thank you for stopping in, CFT. Not really. Sorry, Ace. Yeah, popping up here, technically giving me a trigger candle. Downward trending bands make me a little bit suspicious. Yep, and back down below that EMA. Good job, Gamonic. Or good luck, I meant to say. Not good job, good luck. Do I want a long here or on NQ? That's the question. I didn't take this trigger, and that would have worked. Yeah, good call there, G-Man. I still want to know what happened in the middle of the night. I can't find any news or any reason that this happened. Let's turn back time. Turn back time. At 2:16 a.m. Eastern time, NQ went up over about 85 points in 1 minute. 1 minute candle. Immediately withdraw came back down by 30 the next candle. But what the heck happened at 2:16? London wasn't open yet. It was 45 minutes away. Usually there's nothing going on at that time of night, and it just boomed out of the blue. Nothing really suspicious beforehand, and then all of a sudden, did someone just decide to buy 1,000 contracts at once, or what? Really? Well, that might explain it. Hmm. Usually, I always, okay. Okay, I see that, yeah, that come out a little late. It was scheduled for 1 a.m., so that's why I was thinking it wasn't that. But yeah, okay. I didn't think the German news, affected, things that much, but so wasn't thinking it was, but that makes sense, Raymond. Good job, Dakota. I I thought about putting a trade on overnight on long because that's been working for me, but it just was moving so slow as I was going to bed that I decided against it. Regret that now. So we came back up to the EMA and now pulling back. Excellent job, Germanic. Congratulations. Nice. That's awesome, Brian. Nice, Dakota. Good following. AQ's hanging right on its EMA. I can see this nice move up on the UltraBond. Jealous. Up about half a point since what would have been my trigger candle there. So it looks like I might have, should have, would have taken this. This is my trigger. purple line triggers. Let's see where this goes. By the way, I'm gonna start being very disappointed in myself here. Perhaps overanalyzation, because I did get a nice win there, obviously, but look at this. My last 4 triggers have worked. Well, this one hasn't gone 10 yet, so I shouldn't count it, but we'll see. Good job for money. Yep, slow and steady wins the race. Well, no one ever told Usain Bolt that. But NQ continues to climb here. Thinking about taking this long. Top of the hour here. Crude desk is about to open. Remember, top of the hour can cause a little bit of topsy-turviness. Good morning, Mr. G. Welcome. Always nice to have both G's here. I don't know. I have a feeling going up, but I'm not going to. My entry, technically, it gave me 2 entries. I didn't take either one, this one or this one. Both of them would have been the entries. UB traders are rocking it again this morning. Great job, Dakota. Wonderful work. CFT has started a craze, and this would have worked here, so my last 4 entries would have worked, and I've taken none of them. Last 4 trigger candles. I kind of took this one. I waited, though, but this one, though, I understand why I waited. Definitely downtrending bands. Once it kind of danced here and then came back up, I should have grabbed it. It's gonna be curious. What I'm curious to see, though, is if it ends up going from this candle, which I would have entered at 13,005, which gave me a candle of confirmation before I got in. Let's see if that goes up to 15. Awesome job, Gameonic. You too, man. Sideways action here now. That's a great job, Dakota. Wonderful. I think so. Can anyone ask Gary's question? Can a laptop be charged through a USB port from a wall? I don't see why not, but not my area of expertise. What month is UB trading on? UB is trading UBU, September. Pulling back down to the EMA here. So these longs aren't going much. You see here's a long, it went exactly 10. This one went pretty much exactly 10. Longs don't have a lot of oomph. Yeah, I noticed Crude's not really moving real fast and hard. Oh, there's a breakdown of the NQ. There are 1 minute looking to send a signal here. Is it gonna bounce or is it gonna come down? Need to see it get below the moving average on the RSI. Yeah, we were talking about Gilligan's Island a day or two ago, and now that song keeps popping in my head. I gotta blame Mr. G. No, yeah, Mr. G for that. Waiting here. Gotta see what it wants to do. Does it want to come down or does it want to bounce? 13005 looks like it bounces. The bounce might be the order of the day here. Or just sit there. Three-hour tour. So hanging right above 13,000. It can't decide where it wants to go from here. Didn't stop to ask for directions. Oh, now it's decided to go down. Taking a short here. Immediately regret it. Uh, in at 12,999. There we go. Coming down for me. Come on. Come on down. You're the next contestant on Give Me Points. Do we have these uptrending bands? We're going to move our target above those bands. Hoping for a quick burst down. kind of just bopping on my entry. Now, if I just trusted that original entry there, I would have been in by 4 additional points. There we go, moving down. Moving back up. Back up. Uh-oh. Danger, Will Robertson. There you go, there's another old show for you. Try to move down right on my entry. Staying below 13. $20 minutes to the bell. Morning Burl. There we go. That's a push down. Tighten the stop to only 4 points. Back to my entry. Oh, nice little bounce there. Right back to my entry. Ouch. Very bouncy here. It's going to stop me out. Is winner possibly turning into a loser here, maybe? Let's see. Bounce off the EMA. Come on down, baby. Nope. Stop out. No, it did not. Not yet. Wait, what's it doing? Very bouncy here all of a sudden. Came within a tick of my stop. And now it stopped me out. So this gave back, unfortunately. Yeah. About 90 bucks, no more than that, for 8.5 points. So about 170 bucks back. There was upward trending bands. I should have got out for that 100 bucks it gave me, and I didn't. Stupid move on my part. Hello, Tyler. I don't really teach futures courses, but there's definitely, you can learn from my mistakes. But you can also, yeah, I mean, we learn together here, and definitely can answer any questions you have. Weenie is a nice guy, but he talks me up a little bit too good. I am still an inconsistent trader, mainly because I'm more psychological than not knowing what I'm doing. Wow. Hello, everybody. Holy wow, we're now 2 subs away from 1,000. So welcome everybody. I mean, yes, we do 100% futures here, no options, no stocks, no crypto, no forex, and we learn from each other, we feed off each other. I do not make calls. I just say when I enter trades. But there's lots of good traders here that we all learn from one another. I learned that I should have went long there once that stopped me out. I have a very simple strategy I use. Right. That's exactly right, Ace. We teach without trying to be guru-ish. I don't want anyone to ever consider me a guru. I don't even if I was the best trader around. I want to, you just want to, you want to learn so the three that just came in, how new are you guys to futures? I should have taken that candle there. That would have been a winning trade. The one I took was a loser. Funny how this works out. So the last 5 out of 6 would have been winners, and if I just took them, we'll be up good. See, the purple indicates winning trades that I should have taken, or it's just my trigger candles of where I should have gotten into a trade. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 purples, 2 blues. The blues are the losers. Morning, Jay. So, guys, definitely, like I said, I have no course. I don't, and even if I was 100% the best trader in the world, I wouldn't do a course, or especially not a paid course. But we can definitely learn, and if you stick with me here, you can definitely ask questions as we're going along. If you have any, questions about what I'm doing or about what anyone's doing, we're definitely open to stuff like that. Um, yeah, I lost track of names here. Everyone's talking really fast. So Tyler, how new are you? Have you have you started trading at all? Um, I don't. Poet. Can I call you Poet? Because I don't know how to pronounce your name. Same question to you, and the Rebel. Same question to you. How long have you been trading futures? And do you have favorite assets that you like to trade? Coming back down here on NQ. So that was a quick burst up there. About 13 points up from my trigger. Right now I'm mainly focused on NQ, but I do just watch the other charts just to see what the markets are doing. So if you have, questions about other things besides NQ, feel free to ask as well. Sorry, for money, I was not trying to exclude you. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with everybody. Nice. We have a good mix of traders in this, in here, from there's some guys that have been trading for 20 years that are trading their own accounts. Some guys have been trading a few years, trading their own account. Bunch of people in here that are trading funded accounts from prop firms, and another subset like me that's trying to get funded with prop firms. We have veteran traders, rookie traders, brand new traders, and everything in between, which I think is what, and no one has an attitude of like they're better than anybody just because they've been trading a long time. Uh, we are friendly for the most part. Every now and then you'll hear me go on a rant. Just ignore me when I do. That story involves a female. Um, Reminder, tomorrow, Jackson Hole Symposium is the big day for it. Jerome Powell speaks 10 a.m. Eastern, but the speech will come out earlier, I've been told. So it's going to be a topsy-turvy day. We'll hope that we'll be streaming through it, seeing how the markets react. Definitely be here tomorrow morning as we ride the roller coaster that is the Jackson Hole Symposium. Yep. Jackson Hole. Never know what's going to come out of the Jackson Hole. So we are now 8 minutes or so from the bell. Probably staying flat here. Mad I gave back on that last trade and then didn't take the reversal. That's one of my issues. I got stopped out here and I didn't react fast enough to the reversal. But you can see my strategy this morning. Technically, I wasn't even all. I was just waking up for those two. So we'll look at just this. I've gotten five. I can't count. 6 trigger candles since we've been streaming. One happened right as I started streaming. So 6 trigger candles in 2 hours or so. And one's been bad, and that was the one I took, of course. And 5 have been good. So if I had taken these 5, so let's see. So 5 minus 1, that's 4. Hey, there's some good early morning math for you. So 4 net trades would have been profitable. I've been taking them fully. I'll be up $1,600. Good morning, RJ. And we're sideways here. Eh, they've already lost the new guys. Hey guys, you still here? Bringing up weenie trades. See if they're talking about me over there. Yep. So, new guys, if you're still here, we're still willing to help. Oh, wow, yeah. All those people that just subscribed just unsubscribed. Back down to 994. We're willing to help, guys. Not turning back. Welcome. Hello. Thank you for subscribing. Nope, not you for money. But I think the others did. Either that or sometimes YouTube accidentally adds more numbers and then it corrects. So we'll see. Either way, we're gonna get to 1,000. If they didn't like the, if that if they did leave right away, I feel bad because we could have, helped them get on their path. But coming back down here, but staying flat to the open. $5,000. That coat better keep me very warm and be like bulletproof and be able to hold snacks and drinks. Hey. So 2.5 minutes. Up 179 in the morning. I want more. Oh boy. So watching and waiting. So this was a trigger candle here, and I didn't take it because of how close we are to the bell. Watch it go 10 points. Let's see here. Real quickly, let's page through here. Ooh, that looks ugly. Let's go page through another time frame. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hourly chart. looks kind of bullish for the open. 30-minute chart looks bearish. Everything else looks bearish besides the hourly. I've been told the first round will be coming the first weekend of September, and that the big one I have no set date on. The one I say is going to be the market changer, or the industry changer, or whatever. But yeah, the first round comes, I believe I was told September 3rd. Okay, here's the bell. Ding 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 ding. It's a good question. I think I don't know why they're taking so long. I was trying to find something funny to say, they just couldn't come up with anything. So down just slightly here so far. Not really moving fast by any means. ES seems to be moving a bit faster there. Oh, now we got some movement down. ES down about 4 points. NQ only about 9. I do wish they would have came out faster, because obviously so far my numbers aren't that great. Everyone's waiting for the changes. But continuing to work here. Choppy here, very choppy. Now maybe some momentum. But I said that before. 15 points down. 25. There we go. There we got a breakdown. Big breakdown. Huge break. Played the reversal there. Crap. I tried to play the reversal. I think I ended up with a loss, even though I was up 120. I didn't. No, I got profit. Not what I expected there. I should have stayed in longer. So I played a quick reversal play for about 50 bucks. It's hanging right on that third band, below that third band. So that gives me pause jumping in here for a short. We're down about 22 points. Reversal play was really quick. It was 40 bucks exactly there. 1 point. Just didn't move fast enough on it. It could have been 10 points if I had held. And now trying to head down again. But it's not really breaking fast either way, obviously. ES is down 7 points. So ES is actually showing a little more strength down, or weakness, or whatever you want to say, than NQ is right now. Gold and crude heading down a little bit. Excellent job, G. Burl, no. So we did have a trigger candle on the 5, but obviously I wasn't going to take that on the open, but I should have. Yeah, I wish I could burrow, but I don't. I literally signed a contract with Tostep. I do not want to violate my contract. With sprinkles. Okay, so first 5-minute candle just closed. It ended up down 34 points. If it had just told me it was going to do that, I would have taken it. Matt, no, he said he's working with Ninja. But so far he's still working naked. Just like I am in a totally different way. Coming back up. Great job, Ace. Ace is the place for the 2-point ES trade. And InQ's crawled halfway back up that last 5-minute candle. Back up to the EMA. Taking a short here. Got a feeling. Wow. I hit target. Oh my god. So, Mr. G, I just did your play there. It came up halfway up that 5-minute candle. I saw it start reversing, and I hit reverse on it. I mean, I hit short on it, and I just hit a $400 trade. It's slightly less than 400, it looks like. But yeah. Boom. It's still heading down. I believe RJ said, I don't know, y'all are talking quickly here today. 932 is his downside target. So we are now up $594 today. I've made back, as long as I don't lose anything, I've made back my losses from yesterday. uh, that trade happened really quick. I mean, I think I was in that trade like 10 seconds. Let's look. I can look at that stat. $12 on that trade. 12 seconds for 390. Darn it, now I messed up the P&L. There we go. Wait, what are you asking for money? No, I got to win for money. I got a $400, 390 win, 12 seconds. It popped back up, so it was like actually kind of lucky there. But back up to halfway up the candle, not taking another short there. Not going to do that again. Yeah. 12-second trades are fun when they're winners. 12-second stop outs are not fun. I looked at the 5 minute for the seeing it halfway up the candle, and then just kind of entered off the 1 minute. We're breaking up now. We're breaking up it. Oh, I'm sorry. Back up to 13,000. Trigger candle firing here. Just below the EMA on the 5 minute though. So, oh, and rejected right back down. So that was like getting shot blocked by the Dikembe Mutombo. There we go. Back down, taking short here. Let's see if I'm right. Nope, I'm going to get back. Maybe not. That looked like a bearish candle, but yep, I'm going to... Maybe not. I overreact too quickly. There we go. Nope. Didn't get out fast enough. Let's see. There we go. Push down. There we go. Beautiful move. Yep. There we go. Profit target hit. Another $390. Not sure why it keeps taking 2 ticks from me on those targets, but there we go. Roll that winner footage again. Now up 967 on the day. 967.30 to be exact. Thank you, Ace. Why did I get in that trade there? Saw this move up and this rejection, this long wick down, decided to just quickly enter. Shot for only 10 points. That worked out almost perfectly. Still coming down here, but you see that quickly it moved back up pretty harshly. Again, it bounced off that EMA. I don't know how many times I want to go to the well in this trade, though. Technically, that's the same type of candle, but I'm going to stay, not going to take that there, which is good because I just would have got stopped out. It does seem to, it's been in this range now for like 5-10 minutes, almost since we've opened. It's back and forth between 77 and 13,000, so like a 20-point range, and I just was able to hit 2 winners in that range. The account balance on this Tostep account is now above 3,000, 3,011. I need 6,000 to pass. I wanted to do that this week, but I don't think that's going to happen. But we'll see. Ooh, another beautiful candle back down. definitely feeling shorts on the agenda. Not really on the agenda. That was a weird phrase there. I feel like it's the direction it wants to go. But so far, buyers keep stepping in these around just around between right around 970. So we kind of got to wait for this break of the range. I do have my finger in the trigger, but I will not get overly biased here of short. That's when I get in trouble. If I get overly biased in one direction or the other, and then I just become blind to the other side and end up making bad trades to the side I'm biased on. Definitely looking short here, though. I like this setup, kind of sideways and now moving down. Just broke 70. Staying right above it, actually. Took a quick jaunt below 70, but was not a clean break. Low since we've opened, 966. You can see getting in off of that candle there, that wick taller than the body would be good. Would have reversed by about 6 points, but 79 down to 69 would have been 10. But we would have had slippage, so we wouldn't have gotten 10 yet. If I wanted to run a very wide stop here, I could get in, but I don't want to. Yep, and that's why right there. See it? It just can't. It's. You see how it's tried several times to break below, and it's just not. Now it's trying to pop back up again. We still have these downward trending bands, though. That first band's at 13,010, about 17 points away. So we have room to move up if it wants to move up. It's tried a couple times, so you can see here it's about the level that it topped out on twice here in these two candles. You can't really put images in here, Ace. You can only a link. You can take a screenshot, and some screenshot programs like that one Matt uses allows you to put it in the cloud and throw up a URL. Well, thank you for money. Appreciate you saying that. Taking a breath here. Technically, this is a trigger candle. We'll see. I'm not taking it. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. But it's kind of hanging in here. Hanging with Mr. Cooper. Hanging here. Taking a little breath while we decide where we're going. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Okie dokie, Ace. Down. Theoretically, that was a trigger candle, but I don't really consider it a trigger candle, though it did end up going 10 points down. That would have been a good, but we're still in this weird range here since the open. That's basically the range. Look at this move down. Wow, ace. Hold on a minute. And, oh, there's the break. Hold on. So we're trying to break through the range, but we're also right holding in those bands. So I'm not taking this break. Not taking a break. Taking a break. Break me off a piece of that NQ trade. And it's bouncing. Bounced off that third band. Yep, there's the breakdown. Here is, let me make sure that watching this seems like it wants to come down. Yep. Okay, here is the link for what Ace was trying to share. It's really cool. And totally a jest. So should I have, I mean, technically that was a trigger candle back down, and obviously it would have been a nice trigger. But you see, we still, I mean, we expanded the range there by a few points, but really didn't get a break. Code, I noticed UB's been heading down. Have you taken any additional trades on that? Excellent job for money. Big bounce back up. So that's why I didn't take that break there. I was hugging those Bollingers. I just didn't trust it. It's trying to move up here, trigger candle, and I didn't react fast enough to that. I hate it when they do this. They just barely touch that my line there. You can see it's moving up. Top of this range is about 13,000 even, really? Yeah. So I've been stuck in this range, so I'm not going to take a long there because, as you can see, I mean, it's just weird to be stuck in this tight of a range for basically half an hour now. 20 minutes. ES with a nice trigger on the 5. It's not quite there yet on the NQ's 5. But This trigger candle would have been good. And we just broke our range on the top side. Well, no, it didn't really break. It expanded a bit, but still struggling. Taking a long here might get back. I took it on a burst. I should not have done that. Burst trades always get me in trouble. Ah, I took it on the wrong chart as well. I'm like totally lost. Oh, I'm on the 5-minute. That's why. Giving back here. Maybe not. New 5-minute candle. Nope. Need to get to the 1-minute. There we go. 1-minute chart. Yeah, that was a mistake. Oh, maybe not. Oh, wow. It's going to reward me for bad behavior. I'm out. 9 tick win. No, wait. 7 tick win on that. And I should have stayed in. I was just uncomfortable with that trade. And so I got out. We are up over $1,000 now, though. 1,029. So far it's gone. It went up another 5. Okay, yeah. I should have stayed in that trade. Ouch. I just. That's one of my habits that I need to stop. I see it burst above the level there, and I just went to grab it, and oftentimes that can cause problems because a quick burst up often usually means a quick burst back down. So I was uncomfortable in that trade, so I got out. Got out in profit. Like I said, it was 7 ticks, so 14 ticks total on 2 contracts. 3 points. 60, $70. $70 win. It could have been a full win there, I believe. Yeah, it would have went to my 10-point profit target. So another good trigger candle, and obviously this actually would have been a good trigger candle as well. This one right here, which I didn't take up, obviously would have been a bad trigger. Now it's continuing to go. So I messed up the management of that trade, but like I said, it wasn't comfortable. Finally broke up to the high side, although we're still nowhere near the high of our last hourly candle, which was 13,038. But we do look, on the hourly chart, we do look bullish. And we can get rid of these lines now. Boop. Boop. How's everyone else doing, guys? How we doing? Yep, quickly moving up here. So now we did just pass last hourly. Next stop, 2 hours ago, 13,046. $41. That's not bad, Matt. You can get that back. Slow and steady, Matt. Don't go tilt on me. So yeah, definitely should have stayed in that trade. For now, I do. I mean, I also trade the Asia session, and I do a lower stop loss there. Um, Stop losses are my one of my issues. Finding the right stop loss and profit targets. Um, I've been, I've played with, two contracts, one hits target, one going for a runner, and it seems like more times than not, instead of getting the runner, it stops me out for a lower price. So, um, it's, you know, eh. I usually do a 8 to 10 point stop loss, but 15 would probably be better. And I probably will expand to that once I have more of a cushion on an account. So right now, if I had done a runner, I would be like really good. I love the fact that, I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green candles in a row here, and since my trigger candle, it's gone up. Oh my God, it's gone up 80 points. Darn. See, eh. But the way it's hugging those bands also is kind of scary. But yeah, these were great candles, and I should have just stuck with that trade. But there'll be more opportunities, and I'm up over $1,000 today, so definitely great momentum here. We are at 10 o'clock, so we have about an hour left on this stream, unless exciting things are happening. And, speaking of the Asia session, reminder that I do stream every night, the Asia session, over on Sharevision. Sharevision's a startup company that's trying to become the YouTube of finance. And they pay me to stream. So, 7:45 Eastern Time, every evening, Sunday through Thursday. I'll be there tonight. Stream about 2.5 hours or so. So if you like trading Asia, or you like watching people trade Asia, join me there. Been getting a couple converts to people who thought they wouldn't trade, that Asia was too slow to make money. G-Man has been joining us each night. Found out that Asia can give him money too. Not like Asia directly, I mean like the Asian market. We're not getting money from like Korea. Now we're kind of flat here, just kind of sitting, maybe both lagging on the one, watching, waiting. I'm not sure they. Okay, Ace. I said that they did, but I'm not sure that they did. Sometimes YouTube does weird things where people have trouble subbing. It'll automatically unsub them right away, and then they resub, and um, it ends up counting it as two subs, and then uh, YouTube recalibrates and the number goes down. So I don't know if they unsubbed. The fact that they got quiet and like stopped talking made me think that maybe they did. I don't know. But I don't know. It doesn't tell me who subs. It doesn't tell me who unsubs, and it doesn't tell me everybody that subs either. I don't know if that's a privacy setting or what. Like for money, he just recently subbed, but I don't see him as an actual sub. So I don't know if it's something in privacy settings where you can not show up when you subscribe to something. But I don't see I don't get notifications on half the people that sub. I apologize. I am so sorry. The pictures are so small there, but yeah, I'm so sorry. See, and oh wait, if I said he, I am so sorry. I try to use neutral pronouns to begin with, but sometimes it's so rare to actually see females that these things are so male dominated. It seems like, and I've even asked people in the past why there's so few females, but I am so sorry. I did not mean to offend. I've spent time in the past trying to convince um, that we need more women in trading. Thanks, Reggie. Well, good. So I'm glad that. Oh no. Okay, this is this is Ace attempting to offend you. I can see it coming already. So we are both lagging here, maybe? Are we both lagging, guys? See, I'm an amputee, so I only have one foot left, and I still manage to put it in my mouth occasionally. Oh wow, I didn't see that coming, Ace. Good morning, Andrew. Scared me for a minute, Ace. I thought I was gonna have to take your wrench away. How's it going today, Andrew? How's the trading been? You've disappointed her, Ace. Our high here, not of this move, 13,064. We pulled back to 53. The question is, are we flagging? Watching, waiting, slowly fading. Boom, 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 boom. So slowly draining down. This is really slow right now. I mean, how often do you see a three-tick candle at this time of day? But that's what we're seeing. I don't think that works as well in chat there, Ace. move up. Not really a strong move. Nope, not really a move up. Yes, very happy to have you here. Honestly, I can see you're going to fit in well here. Reminder, tomorrow, Jackson Hole will be happening. Jerome Powell's speech will be happening while we're streaming. So we'll be live trading it. I mean, we might not be trading it. It might just sit on our hands and see what the market does. But we'll try to trade it and see what happens. Taking a long here. Let's see if I'm stupid. Wow. Why is that so tight? I can barely see. Oh, ouch. Stop out. I just gave back. Gave back big. Down to 732 on the day now. So I thought we were flagging and we weren't. We're just staying sideways. Stupid of me there. Wasn't my play. Wasn't my type of trade. I don't know why I did it. I'm in Illinois, Ace. Illinois. Ooh, Crude's dropping. Huge move down there on Crude. Stupid move. I'm mad that I just gave back on that. That was stupid. In Illinois and waiting till I have the money to get back to Pennsylvania. Nice, Dakota. Great job. So Crude came down about a full point in the last 10 minutes. UltraBond. Wow. UltraBond's triggers today have been beautiful. Doom. Look at that. Beautiful. All those would have worked. Chop here in the middle might have been a bit of an issue, but yes, I do remember that, Ace. So upset with myself in that last trade. Very upset with myself. Trying to read chart patterns I really even don't believe in. Great job, Dakota. Yep, that's only about a mile from me, Ace. I could take the meat off the bun. And now it's going up. It's very sideways. I mean, we've been sideways now for 15 minutes. There's the possible rise up. So I just maybe got in wrong. I go to bed. Well, I go to bed about 12:30. I'm sometimes still awake at 1. But yet, every morning I get up at 6. So I can talk to talk to all of you. I hate heat, so I could never live in Texas. Hate heat. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. And that's what carbs do to you, Ace. Yeah, I sleep. I catch up on sleep on the weekends, so I usually sleep about 10 hours. And I can't sleep through the night if I'm doing, if I'm eating carbs. But on my low carb protocol, I don't need to wake up to go to the bathroom. John, doing good today. How are you? Just awesome, Matt. I forget which account are we talking about, Matt. Excellent. Yep, bouncing here. Got up to the top. I want to say we're coming down, but I'll wait for my triggers. $20. It's 1 point. Are you at your minimum number of days, Matt? I forget. I'm up. I'm up $732, John. But I just gave back like 300, so I was up over 1,000. Oh, CL's bouncing back up. Crude oil inventories. I'm not sorry, not crude oil. Sorry. Natural gas inventories in 10 minutes if anyone's interested. No, that's not bad. And there's Ace with our weather. Burl, do you have our traffic report? Technically a trigger candle there on Crude. And watching what NQ is doing as it's fading this move back down. Yep, there's a trigger on the NQ. I got my trigger on the NQ. Sorry. Not quite there yet. So that move up and it just slowly faded it all the way down. See our bands are squeezing. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Burl and Ace with their dueling traffic reports. Well, look at this. This is like a game of Pong. Two sides green, ball going, the red ball going back and forth. Which way will we go? I don't know what we're doing here. Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Yeah, for money, Ace. Oh wait, are you making breakfast or going for a run, Ace? Ace is insane and goes for a run, and occasionally breaks his finger while doing so. Oh, she has been paying attention. Oh, CFT. I thought you were at. I thought you were at Subway. I was gonna ask what you want on them. I don't know. It's weirdly fluctuating CFT. I was up to 998 earlier and pulled back to 994. Yep, swirling. Am I having an issue? Is the stream swirling, guys? Okay. Think we're okay again. By the way, thank everyone for the likes, up to 34 today, which is awesome. If you're enjoying the content and haven't hit that thumbs up button, I would appreciate if you did. Yes, make sure you click on the live button to get back to live so there's no delay. Thank you, Ace. Yeah, we're still going up. See, I was thinking we were coming down, and we didn't. Up, down, up. I think we're at high of day. Yes, we just broke high of day. We're now at the highest point we've been since the 22nd. And we're about ready to break that. Great job, Reggie. 88. Looking to see what he's... Yeah, well, someone left their wallet in the room from the last room he's in. Yeah, it's risen up here nicely since my last actual trigger candle on NQ. We've come up 110 points. That kind of makes me sick because I could have just rode this entire move up. But if we look here, it actually gave me another trigger right here, and I didn't take it. 64 up to 101. We broke 13,100. So I could have done much better than I have. Yeah, ES on the 1. My trigger candle would have been here at 41.55. But the low there was 48. So about 30 minutes to go, looking for another nice trade or two. What's Crude doing? Yeah, Crude tried to pop up there, but it kind of failed. I mean, it popped up from its... Actually, I shouldn't say that. I mean, it did pop up like 50 ticks. But now it's heading back down. Kind of want to... short. Going long at 78 is G-Man. That's looking good. NQ, does kind of look bullish back up. Maybe wants to get back up here, but it's really not my play. Don't want to give back again. It should have been my play. It's popping up. RJ, ever think I'm just playing the long game and like once I hit my 1 year anniversary, I'm going to start judging and doing hard sells on my methods? No, I'm joking. Can we get back up to 13,100? That is the question. G-Man's going for 83. It's kind of stuck right now at 80. No, 84. No, 83, yeah. Early morning math, and I can't even say early morning math anymore because it's not early morning anymore. I do feel a little bit hyper today. I'm not sure why. Maybe someone spiked my eggs. Yeah, That's possible. I do get excited when good new people join the room. Yeah, I should have taken the long there. Got back up to 99. When I said it, it was a 90. Today's obviously profitable. It could have been better. Shouldn't have taken this trade there. That was totally stupid of me. Totally. 100%. I will not do that again. That I can promise. Well, maybe not promise. But I'm more upset about the purple lines I didn't take. Seriously. Am I stupid? Go ahead. Since I started trading this morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triggers winner, 1 trigger loser. I mean, this could technically, I'm not even counting that as a trigger because that would have, even though it didn't turn the color. Eh. Flat? Did you get it? Yeah, you did. Good job, G-Man, again. G-Man's amazing on reversal trades. RJ's amazing on NQ levels. Ace is amazing at just consistently getting 2 points every day at least. Crude bounced. Didn't like that I said it failed going up. Oh, crude oil, I mean, sorry, not crude oil. Natural gas. What did it do? I don't trade natural gas, but it's always interesting to see what inventories do. Popped up like 40, I'm sorry, 60 ticks. Popped down. It has a 100 tick range on this 5-minute candle. So the 1 minute looks like it was almost all in that first minute too. Congratulations, Matt. There you go. Okay. G-Man's saying we're going up on ES. Oh, sure. I say congrats too, Matt, but I didn't hear you say thanks. No, I'm kidding. Watching ES. ES and NQ again, kind of bull flagging. Watching, waiting. Again, reminder that I'm on Sharevision tonight, starting at 7:45 Eastern. Nightbot just posted the link for Sharevision. If you want to come trade Asia with me, or you want to watch me trade Asia, or you just want to come in and talk to me so I don't fall asleep if it's a slow night, that would be wonderful. Just kind of hanging here, watching NQES, Gold and Crude all at the same time. Kind of ignore Gold and Crude now. Not Gold and Crude, that'd be weird. But see if we get this move up here on the indices. Oops. Totally lost the chat. There we go. Waiting and watching, watching and waiting. There. Got to come up with some new material. Yeah, I can constantly singing the same lyrics. Here's a move. Maybe. Move. Nope. Yep. Maybe. Taking along here on ES. Tight stop. I can't even see it. There we go. Back down to break even. Figure what stop I use. I use a 2-point stop. Risking 100 here. Bouncy. Our previous high of this move, 41.83. Yep. And 3/4. Watching. Give me some green, people. No, I don't want green people. It's weird. Back to break even. Back to up. There we go. You see a break of 41.83 and 3/4. We hit it and bounced off of it again. There's a move. Just hit 41.84. 41.84 and a half. Cutting it there. One tick of profit. It went up higher, but I just don't. It doesn't seem to want to continue the momentum up. We'll see if I paper hand it or not. So I got my 12.50 before commission there. Buy everybody lunch. So it seems like everyone's had a pretty good day today. Good P&Ls. I see my. Give me a second here. You're gonna see my P&L thing do all kinds of weird things right now. Hold on. Really? No, it didn't count the new trades. Hold on. So let's look at something besides just P&L. That's a great day for money. Excellent. I'm looking at my other stats here. Give me a second here. That 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, 4 losses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 wins and 4 losses this morning. That's pretty good. Average winning trade 203, average losing 135. So, yeah, I think we need to look at other things besides just P&L. We need to start looking at what our winning percentages are. P&L is great, but we need to look at also how we're getting there, in my opinion. Have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. ES did end up getting back up to 41.85. Still is not the. I was looking for 41.88, but hasn't gotten there yet. NQ's gotten up to 13.117. Hugging those Bollingers. So we have about 15 minutes to go in the stream unless something really exciting happens. I'm curious here a minute. ES trade. Got in here. 37 out of 40. Let's see what NQ did at that time. 37. It might have been better to do NQ there. So 4 subscriptions away as of right now from that magical 1,000 number, which is amazing. I'll be doing a promo for it hopefully today, but reminder that a week from tomorrow, I'll be doing my once a month London stream, 9-hour stream, starting at 2 a.m. Eastern, running the London session, non-farm payroll report, and America Cash Open, 9 hours of trading goodness. And that happens to just be my 1-year streaming anniversary. So, make it into a little party, hopefully a nice little profit party. On Q, just kind of hanging here. What did ES do? Did ES get any higher? Nope, still 41.85 on that. But it's kind of wondering if this is the pinnacle. There's a big word for the day, pinnacle. Move down. So we've had a long white streak here. Almost an hour since my last trigger candle, which is a long time on the 1-minute chart. Seeming like it wants to try and start coming down. But for now, it's staying about 13,100. I appreciate that. It's been an amazing push over the last month or so because, a month ago I was at about 850. I didn't think there was any way I was going to get there because I was averaging about 100 new subs a month last few months. I didn't think there was any way I was going to get there before the 1-year streaming anniversary. And here we are. Just so you know, G-Man, there is no prize. Yeah, just imagine that. Everyone unsubs to try to be number 1,000, and I wake up tomorrow and I'm down to like 50, 50 subscribers. Yes, seeing if we want to drop here. So far, nope. So, assuming no more trades in the next 10 minutes, $741.30. 63% win rate today. And Q's trying to come down here. Again, you see it's down, up, down. And just kind of sitting there. Sitting on the dock of the EMA. Watching price slip away. I am so sorry. Very slow price action this time of day. ES is kind of hanging. Crude hanging. Gold hanging. Looks like natural gas liked its inventories as it's heading up. There's the break on IQ. Technically trigger candle there. I'm just not sure about it because of how slow we've been. But every time I've doubted a trigger so far, I've been wrong today, so. Wouldn't mind seeing a break of 13,100 though. I did break it there, but. Short. Oh. Failed to fetch. What does that mean? Well, if it would have let me take the short, it would be a winner. Oh, now it lets me take it. Now it's probably gonna bounce. Crap. I didn't want it to fill me. I expected a bounce. Let's see where it goes. See if I'm gonna give back a bunch today now. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Those alerts can be annoying. Beautiful. Beautiful. A little bit more. Profit target. Boom. Wait, that profit target was even more than I got positive slippage? Really? I never get positive slippage. That was a. Let's look. We were at Well, I said 741. We're now up $1,183 on the morning. So 1183 741. That was a $442 trade. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's a way to probably finish out the stream. I mean, we'll go for a few more minutes yet, but obviously I don't think it's going to give me another trigger candle. I trusted the trigger candle, and the trigger, I mean, technically I didn't trust the trigger. Well, no, I did try to get in. For some reason, the order didn't go through. I don't know what that meant, but once again, trigger candle worked. Thank you, Matt. So up $1,183. Is that what I said? Yes. Tostep accounts now at 3227. Need 2,700 and some odd dollars to pass step one. And now look at this. See, this is why I say I gotta trust my methods. I've marked off every trigger candle. One, the purples are good. The blues are not good. These two don't count. I was just waking up when they traded this. So, look at this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8. Yeah, 8 and 1. If I would have just taken all the triggers. Instead, I do stupid stuff like this. Why did I take that trade? I was trying to think. I thought we were bull flagging. I don't play bull flags. Now, it bounced, touched the EMA twice. Those both would have been good. But just playing bull flags, I don't play. I should never have taken that loss. But if I had taken each one of these, and what was I doing here? Now, I did win one of these. But, okay, yeah, I did play that bounce there. That was, bounce plays are legit. But just focusing on the trigger candles themselves. These all would have went at least 10 points, all the purple ones. And there's G-Man going long. Good bounce, and we did a good bounce here. G-Man is the absolute expert on playing quick reversal bounces on ES. So, the reason I'm marking these off like now, I mean, it makes the chart look ugly. But it's a very good visual of just how successful it would be if I just traded my triggers and trusted them. But I do get scared. There was like yesterday, there was a couple right here, 2 in a row. I just, sometimes there's like here, 3 out of 4 didn't work. And that's just trading though. That can happen anytime. But you can see again, this is yesterday charted out. You can see how many more purple there is than blue. So the more I'm doing these bars as a visualization, these lines, whatever, to show that this works. I still want to know what happened here last night. But yeah. My simple strategy works. I just gotta continue to trust it. Because if I had just taken these trades this morning, count with me, people. And yeah, we shouldn't just be focusing on P&L, but for the top step, I need to just focus on P&L. 400, 800, 1200, 1600, back 400, so 1200, 1600, 2000, 24, 28. This will be $2,800. 2 contracts. So I just need to trust my trading plan. Not sure what that little flash was there, but okay. Trust it, Ox. Trusted it. Yep. G-Man, that did not get his 5 points so far. So, great morning. Absolutely great morning. Now, I had a similar morning 2 mornings ago where I ended the day up 1,000, and then yesterday I gave back 500, and that's been my that's been one of my biggest issues is 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So that's what I gotta start preventing. Stop preventing. What the heck am I trying to say? Anywho, tomorrow we have Jackson Hole. I hope you'll join me for that. Don't know if we'll just be watching or we're trading. I mean, I'll try and trade the triggers, but in the same token, I'll be a bit more conservative. Maybe. Maybe I'll just go hog wild. I don't know. No kidding. But let's all trade it together, or at least watch what the markets do together. Hope you'll join me for that and the rest of the market. And again, reminder, Sharevision tonight if you want to join me there. We've come down like 40 points since that trigger. Anyway, join me tonight on Sharevision, 7:45 Eastern Time. Link was just posted by Nightbot there in the chat. Warning, the platform's a little bit rough, but we have fun there as well. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. This is going to maybe bleed out here. Let's just watch this for 2 more minutes. Not going to need to go run and do anything. Notice this is our consolidation period where I tried to guess at a bull flag. Be interesting to see if it can break through here. If it can break through there, then we might just continue to drop. Yeah, this dip bounce there. Back up some, back down some. We're just watching for funsies now. I don't plan on trading it. So yeah, definitely a bounce here. Came down to 58. Yeah, it's not really doing anything else here now. It's gonna just kind of hem and haw here. So that's where we're gonna wrap it up. So have a great day, everyone. For money, glad you joined us today. Hope you'll be here on a regular basis. Nice seeing new faces. I didn't mean to rhyme that. Have a great day, Matt, RJ, G-Man, the rest of y'all. Talk to you tonight on Sharevision or tomorrow here on YouTube. Bye, Z. Bye, Z? Did I say that? I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.